Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yourself bacon in Roblox. First, open the Roblox application on your device. From the main menu, locate and click on the avatar button, usually found on the left-hand side. This will take you to the avatar editor, where you can customize your character's appearance. It's a straightforward process to achieve this iconic look. Once inside the avatar editor, you will see various customization options. Head over to the Customize tab, which allows you to change different parts of your avatar. Specifically, you'll want to focus on the hair section. The bacon hair is a classic free style, so you won't need any Robux to get this look. It's a simple selection to make. Within the hair category, you'll find a wide array of styles. Scroll down until you spot the iconic bacon hair option. It's easily recognizable by its unique striped pattern. Simply click on it to apply it to your avatar. If you have any other hair or hats currently equipped, make sure to unequip them so your new bacon hair is fully visible. After selecting the bacon hair, take a moment to admire your avatar's new look. Once you are satisfied, remember to click the Save or Done button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the editor. This action will finalize your changes and update your avatar across Roblox. Now you're ready to explore the Roblox world with your classic bacon hairstyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.